Hey, this is Rick Wilson with OAM Garage. I'm Rick Wilson. I hope you enjoy coming by and watching my fiasco. The stuff that I do. Today is Monday, if it all works out all right. If you watch my Thursday episode, yes, it was, so, yeah. It rained most of the time. It ain't gonna rain days as far as I can tell, but we ain't gonna do a whole lot. I just wanted you to see that this is the back of my truck. It's standing straight up now on some wheels. Okay, so let me get started on showing you around. All right. All right, so while I've got this vehicle in this position, I guess would be a good way to say it. Well, let me turn you around and let you see. All right, so right now I have it up on that skidder plate down there. I've got it stabilized by these two sawhorses, and I'm going to get that better. But I just got through doing this, and that's why I wanted to share this with you. But taking it all the way off is going to help me do so much more. It's going to help so much more because now I can work on the brakes, which is what I'm going to do. And also I will be able to, well, as you can see that right there, last time, if you'll notice, I don't know if you can tell the color, but this is the original color. So this bed's never been off as far as I can tell, but this is the original color, which is green. And as you can see, that's why I wanted to take it off, mainly because I wanted to be able to get back there and work on that cab of the truck there. As we discussed Thursday, this looks bad, that looks bad, and of course this up here is not as bad because this is pretty much just a flat piece here that I can weld in. And of course, with it being like this, I'm going to be able to work on this a lot better too. Work up under these lips, get them better. Flat black paint, all this stuff with that undercoating. Same thing with all this. And like I say, I'm going to be able to work on the brakes, get me some proper braces and all for my glass pack and muffler system there. So anyway, just thought I'd bring you up to speed here. So let's see what we can do. First thing I want to do is take the blower and work on it a little bit. about that? It's a whole lot better. I don't know if you can tell it, but it does. Alright, so I'm fixing to run to town, and I'm going to get some black undercoating. I'm going to come back and wire brush all this off, blow it off again, and what? That's right. Then I'm going to paint the framework. I'm going to get this here. I don't know about today, but mainly work on the, I don't know, I may do this today and do the framework later. I don't know, but I know from yesterday I'm real tired and it's hot, but we'll see. Alright? Alright. Alright, so I gotta tell this is while it was fresh on my mind. So I went to Walmart to get paint and undercoats and all that kind of stuff. So my wife had asked me to pick up some lettuce, because Walmart's been out of lettuce for I don't know how long. Check to see if we got lettuce. So I said okay. So I'll go over there and get lettuce, and I'm thinking, well, they got lettuce, but they got ears of corn that's already been shucked. You know, it's 4 of them in a little flat with clear plastic over. I said, nah, I don't want that, because I want, you know, like I told you, I like to microwave it, and the way you do it, put it in the microwave just like it is, okay, with all the husk and everything on it. 4 minutes per ear. All right, and when you get it out, you cut off the big part. You leave all the hair and all that on the other end. Then you grab it and just squeeze it, and it comes right out. All the strings, hair, everything, just beautiful. Anyway, so here's this kid, and I asked him. I said, have you got corn on the cob? He says, yes, sir. I said, well, I see you got corn on the cob there. Do you have any that's not shucked? Shucked? I said, yes, sir, shucked. And I could see he was puzzled. And I said, you know, what still has the leaves on it? Oh, no. Well, we don't have that. Now, I cannot believe we got a generation growing up that doesn't know what shucked corn is, or unshucked corn. Corn what got leaves on it. Well, I was leaving, all right? I'm going to check out. Now, how in the world are you going to, in this fast checkout lane, you got to check yourself out. How do you check out an ear of corn that doesn't have any barcode on it? Anyway, so I don't know. So anyway, I'm jumping ahead. As I'm going out, I look over my shoulder. There it is for 33 cents a piece in a big old holder. It's a whole thing of ears of corn that's unshucked. Kid working in the produce does not know what unshucked corn is. He didn't know he had it. I just found that disturbing. My kids know what shucked corn is and unshucked corn. I hope yours does too. Thank you for falling on the ground, so I'll have to pick you up. You know, it's one of my favorite things. rust neutralizer. Y'all know the drill. Dry a little bit. Whew. Well, all right, fellas, I've got done as much as I wanted to get done today. Got the back part of the half. I see a little touch-up work I got to do, but that won't take no second. And whew, short and sweet on Monday. That's what I like. Hey, look here. I appreciate you coming and watching my show. I hope you have a great week. Come back and see me Thursday. I appreciate all you people that have gotten me over 500 on subscribers. If you hadn't subscribed yet, please do it. Let's see how many we can get. I think that'd be great. So I just would love it. But hey, if you're gonna stick around, you're gonna have to know one thing. Please don't litter. It just ain't pretty. It just ain't pretty. Don't litter. Okay? Secondly, like my mama always said, you be sweet. You are anyway, I know. And remember, I love you. Mama loves you. I love you. We all love you. You gotta love yourself. Hey, look here, y'all. Don't tell Mr. Rick I was up in his truck. I'm just up in here trying to cool off a little bit. It's so hot. It's so hot. My water buffalo's evaporated.